I am Bhavesh Vyas. This is a 4Care Lifescience Pvt Limited. It is based at Ahmedabad and our manufacturing facility is nearby the Plant. It is on the Indore Highway. And we have our general OS tablet and capsule plant. And our company started in the 2013 as a domestic company. And we have a total 3 divisions, 2 in the cardiodiabetes and 1 in gynec pediatric. And our manufacturing facility, our plant is approved by WHO, as well as we have a lots of accreditation just like Kenya, Iraq, Philippines, Peru, and so more. I say about the Pharma Tech and Lab Expo. We are Mr. Manan is our very close friend, and we always support them. He also supports us. We are very appreciating this management and the management of this whole organization. Thank you so much.